Trying to check DPI? Here we have shown 3 ways to check the DPI of your mouse. This is the Windows Club. Knowing the mouse DPI is essential for gamers and graphic designers. Here are 3 easy ways you can check it. So if the first method doesn't work, try the other 2. Let's get started. Method 1. The easiest way to check your mouse DPI is by checking the product details from the manufacturer's website. Visit the mouse's manufacturer's website, search for the mouse you're using and open its product page. Look for the DPI section. Press Ctrl+F and type DPI to quickly find it. Here you will see the maximum and minimum DPI of your mouse. This method is easy and fast, but it might not work for lesser known mouse brands or if you're looking for a more accurate answer. The next 2 methods are more of a direct approach instead of looking at the product details. Method 2. To calculate the exact DPI of your mouse, first you must disable the mouse acceleration. Type mouse settings in the Windows search and open the top option. And select additional mouse settings. Select pointer options and uncheck enhance pointer precision. Click on apply and OK to save the changes. Now the real work begins. You need to mark 1-inch distance on your mousepad or the surface you use your mouse on. Once done, visit mouse-sensitivity.com and select DPI Analyzer from the left. The link is in the description so you can simply visit the website from there. Now scroll down to the ruler part. Put 1 in the target distance and set the units to inches and axis to X+. If you know the DPI, then you can enter it in the Configure DPI section for better accuracy. Keep it empty if you don't know it, like we have done. Now place the mouse at the 0 point of the measuring tape on your mouse pad, while also placing the cursor on the red mark on the scale. Now while pressing the left click, move the mouse 1 inch as you had marked earlier. Here you will see the actual DPI. Try it 3 times and see if the result varies and take the average of the 3 results. Method 3. The third method is like the last one but performed on Microsoft Paint. Visit our blog on this topic by clicking on the link in the description and here you will find all the details for the third method. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.